أهلا بكم في قناتي. أنا يارنو. أنا من فنلندا. أنا أريد أن أتكلم العربية. أنا أفهم الإنجليزية جيدا وأريد أن أفهم العربية. Hi guys. Okay, I've been studying now some words and some writing things like this morning, and I have written a lot and I have listened a lot, and it's been very interesting. I went through all alphabets, all numbers, and I practice saying these words I know, and I made the sentences. And this introduction, I tried to say this like naturally, and it's very nice language and very interesting thing to do for me and for all. I think I really, thumbs up for the Arabic language, and the more I write, the more I understand the whole system, the writing system, and it's interesting. If I think about like 2 weeks ago when I started kind of focusing on alphabets and writing and everything, I was kind of lost because it felt weird, but I was into it. And now, after 2 weeks, I understand more. And it's like amazing thing, like how our brain can kind of learn everything. But the one key, the main thing is that repetition. That I repeat, review things I have gone through before. So that's the key. And writing and listening and speaking, all these 4 elements are important. Listening, reading, writing, speaking, and use those. And I have here, I'm really happy I have my notes because I have worked and I have learned a lot, and I feel that when I actually do my notes, then my brain have this feeling, okay, I can take all this information in and I will restore it, and it will stay there, all those things you have learned. Yeah. And this is amazing. I feel that I can already say some things in Arabic, and all those things I have studied and learned, I can use them. And then I already have noticed that, okay, I have become the person who has a passive Arabic voc, who has something there and I don't use it. But then I like when I'm listening some Arabic, when I watch some videos on YouTube or I'm listening to some podcasts, I'm like, oh, okay, I have studied that word. I know that word, and it's really. I'm happy. I'm really chuffed to bits. Yeah. And now I have started to write, like learning writing a little bit, like using my phone, and I change my I add my Arabic alphabets in my keyboard on my phone, so it also helps a lot. So I made this little text on TikTok, so it was nice to make actually and write actually Arabic, and yeah. But my update for update 2 weeks learning Arabic. Okay, thanks for watching. Take care. Cheers.